Nitrous. We're adding nitrous to the Wild Evo. Something I never thought I would do. We went pretty far without it. To go almost 200 miles an hour without nitrous, pretty wild. What we're adding is hopefully gonna take us to the next level and hopefully get us past that 200 mile per hour marker. Yeah, see what happens. It's a very complicated thing to add. It's very touchy and it just puts a lot more wear and tear on the vehicle, or the engine rather. And there's more failures with that. I never really wanted to get into it, but you know, now that we're at this level and we're kind of maxed out, I think we're gonna have to dabble in it a little. And Rafe's been dabbling in it, so we're just gonna try. Now I gotta go back into my phone and see where this got fucked up. I got a small issue with these lines. So I have all 4AN lines, and I have a 3AN line from the solenoid to my nozzle, and that's not gonna work. So the cowl line should be 3AN and it's 4AN. What I'm trying to do is I'll throw a 4AN out off the solenoid, and then I'll have to somehow reduce that 4AN to a 3AN. I'm trying to just see how I can make this work without redoing all these lines. It sucks having to figure this out when we already had this all planned, but it is what it is. Happens. So we had these lines custom made because they're high pressure, obviously black, match the car and like kind of hide it. And it was just a small miscommunication when they were made. You ever hear that term, like you can plan and plan and plan and it don't matter? If it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be.
And if it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be.
Always curveballs. So these are nitrous solenoids, and I already jammed that in there. Today's an off day. Kind of tired, you know. It's been a very long week, man. That's not the right size. Because I don't even know what day it is, man. What day is it? Do you know what day it is?
Uh-oh, guess what day it is? Guess what day it is?
Somebody left the lid off. We're batting 1,000 today, guys. We're batting 1,000, but we shall overcome this. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna seal, but we're gonna try like heck. I gotta make sure I do this the right way. So, you know what I think I'm so off today, man? I haven't eaten anything. My brain's not really at its full potential, you know? This place even open? Oh, look at this, my favorite place. Ooh, don't break it now. Now we gotta get on this here other side. Goop that one up. Oh yeah, get in there. Man, I'm second guessing myself a lot today. Yeah, get in there. Ooh, that's tight. Tight like a tiger.
You have a tight body. Yes, you are tight like a tiger.
I guess we'll do it like that. That's kind of cool, huh? That way we can't forget it. Can't mess this up. I've never installed nitrous before, and I think that's broken. Maybe that just gets tightened up. We got this figured out, bro. Now that's tight. Ooh, sounded like a crack, but that's okay, that's okay. Everything's okay, it's fine. That's one of the biggest things that Rafe says to me all the time. It's fine. It's okay, Nick. We're gonna make it. Nitrous in, so we need a 4AN to the nitrous in. So this is gonna feed this solenoid. Look at that. Yeah, it's not supposed to be that thick. Hopefully this seals. I just ordered a new bottle. We're making good progress here. I got a couple more of these bad doohickey gyms. This is gonna be a 5-glover day today.
I hardly know her.
Damn it, Michael, pay attention, man.
We changing gloves a lot. All right, so this is kind of like what we got working on here. So my understanding, this is the nitrous in, so this is gonna come from the tank. It goes past through the purge port, which is gonna feed our purge solenoid. This is then nitrous coming out, so this is gonna go into our intake. And then this is the purge line. So this is gonna be, we're gonna do that next. The purge line is gonna come out to the atmosphere, and that's how you determine if there's air in the line. So that's the whole point. This is purging the system to get air out of the line. So this is all pretty much set up. We're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna start drilling holes in my brand new paint job in the engine bay, which I really don't wanna do, but it's the only way to do it right and nice and clean. And then we're gonna put this whole thing together. You excited? So excited, oh my God.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
I got nothing, man. It's been a failure all day.
Dude, tell me about it.
Yeah, you've been having a bad morning too?
Oh man.
I'm telling you, Nick.
Yeah, it is what it is, dude. Shane's probably what, stoned off his ass?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm not off my ass.
But you're definitely stoned.
I wish I was a little bit more, but we're good.
So where is it leaking?
It was like spewing out of the back here.
So is it
I don't know.
is it the gauge or is it the tank?
He said gauge. When I looked at it, it looked like it was spewing.
All right.
See right out of the bottom? Where there's no goop?
Yeah.
I could see it spewing.
So I guess we're not gonna do it that way anyways.
So that's what we need now?
Yeah, so we gotta take this off.
You feel how tight that is and let me know.
Yeah, that's definitely tight.
Dude, when the dude walked out and it was spewing
He's just an idiot. He saw it leaking, he shouldn't have filled it. He should have taken it out.
This is what he said. Oh, the machine was on and I was talking to the new guy trying to show him, so I didn't notice.
You know this is like a $90 gauge? It's not cheap. There was nothing on this when you took it out, or there was? Like, was there a PTFE lock in there?
It had its own. It was a different sealer than that PTFE stuff. When I was doing it, I was having to like smudge it in with my finger.
That's what I just did. It's just not, it's probably not gonna work. I just did all of those fittings, it's probably not gonna work. But that one wasn't leaking?
Nope. It made no sense. Buddy, I went outside, so mad, cracked this thing. So I just cracked it because the dude was like, hey buddy, you should probably not put that in your car like that. No shit.
Well, duh.
No shit, I shouldn't go put it in my car like that because I'll be fucking laughing my way right to hell. So what happens? I fucking walk right outside pissed. I was on the phone with Bill. I was like, bro, I'm cracking this bottle, I'm all set.
All right, so now, Zimbabwe, this is how we're gonna do this.
Salvage.
We're gonna go like this. Grab some more of your goop.
More goop. I always do this. I always put shit away. Got problems, man. Fucking guys got problems. And bro, this is how I gooped it. Like I'm so mad, Nick.
So how do I gonna have this? I'm gonna go like that's gonna be the back. This is gonna be the front. I had the long 3/16.
You have one?
I wonder if it's the one you used to mix it up. Can't find it. Oh, you used it as a freaking mixer.
You already know what we're good at, kid. Flicking the wrist.
It's actually not. This is a 4. It's over here. I used it the other day on my dump tubes that you put on backwards.
No, that's what we said.
Got it.
We team associated that. Come on, man.
I did not. I don't know what this guy's talking about. Yeah. All right, so now, by doing it this way, that will never happen again. So as long as these don't leak, you should be able to fill that tank, no problem.
Nick,
and then as soon as we put this in like this and tighten this, and we turn this on, as long as that, if crack the
You have
valve,
to plug this, or that's gonna be a line in.
this is the line in, well, line out.
Yeah.
Once this is on, if it doesn't leak, you're in good shape. If it leaks and drops pressure, you know it's the gauge was leaking. But I don't think it was. I think it was just gooped wrong.
Goop, there it is.
I don't. This
it was fully
doesn't
gooped.
look like it's leaking anywhere unless it's broken, but it can't be broken.
We gotta figure out a way to pressurize this thing good.
Oh, we can do it right now. Take this off. Don't try this at home, kids. Where's the air valve? There. Bring the thing over here with the thing and the thing. This stuff gets everywhere. I hate it. Is it on me? I feel like it's on my face. I should go touch Shane's car. Yeah, I need the thing.
You want the air thing?
Yeah, bro. How am I gonna get air out of this into that?
I don't know what the hell it is, dude.
It's probably on the car.
Excuse me. Pardon me.
White people these days, man, you know?
Hey now, got olive skin.
The only thing is we're not gonna be able to get 2,000 PSI. Well, I think it's 1,000.
Oh, I got soapy water. You want that?
Yeah. Is it leaky? Leaky?
Not spewing. And you're gonna be able to see how much pressure now? In there?
Once I turn it on, yeah, but we need to plug that. We got a cap. We got
something that small? I don't think so, man.
Yeah, that'll work.
What?
That'll work. I don't want to be giving out my secrets, but we made this thing last year.
For the thing?
For the thing. You remember the thing?
I remember the thing you were talking about.
Yeah.
He's talking about the thing. The thing that nobody knows about.
The thing that nobody knows about. Look, remember?
The remote thing.
The remote thing with the thing. So as long as this is the right size.
Pablo.
Like a little baby wiener.
Pablo, honey, come to Florida.
Pablo? Yeah? Please come to Florida.
Snap.
No, come on, don't mess around, man. It's already been a rough morning here. That's not tight enough, but there is pressure in it. So it's holding the pressure.
Yeah, I think you just were too stoned when you put it together the first time.
I wasn't. Dude, I was on the clock. Get it together, man. We'll know when I go to fill it again. And he walks out again and says, hey, man, sorry to waste 100 again, but still has something there.
Oh, well, you know it is. It's off. The valve's off.
So we're in good shape.
This thing's come in handy a couple times.
Keep it.
Oh,
Keep holding on to it.
Obvi, bro. Obvi. Totes my goats.
Pressure.
Under pressure. You gotta get something to eat, man. I'm in a bad mood today. I need some food.
He's pissed. Look at that pissed. Look at him. Don't be stretching out that hose like that, man.